Good evening, everyone. Santal Kumar here. Welcome to Stock Phoenix. Can everyone able to see my screen and hear my voice clearly? Hi, Mayur. Others, can everyone able to see my screen and hear my voice clearly? Hi, Sudintra Bhatt. This is batch 18. That's right. Aditya. Aditya has been connected with the two different systems. Please disconnect from one system, or else the ID will be blocked. Both the IDs will be blocked. Hi, Anil. Mr. Kumbar, hi Deepak, Kalpesh, Kanti, Kapil, Kartikeyan, Madhu, Mayur, Mithal, Mohit, and long list everyone. Pani, again Pani Krishna has logged in from two different systems. Please disconnect in one system or else both the ID will be blocked. It's my request. And so these are the basic bug that is what we are facing. And again, Mr. Vijay, yes, Mr. Swaminathan Ganeshan, you have logged in two different systems. You have to log out in one system or else both the IDs will be blocked. So these are the primary bugs we will be facing. So you will be disconnected and you will not be allowed to join again for that particular day current session. So these are the basic things we have to correct on a primary basis. Now coming back to the your questions. So there will be a right side on your computer. There will be a question tab. There will be a question tab, not a chat tab. There will be a question tab. You can ask your questions there and I'll be answering through voice. Okay. So thanks a lot. And Srinivas, my voice is breaking. I'm not sure. I think everyone is clear. So you have to check your internet connection. So thanks for everyone's confirmation. And we'll wait for a few more minutes and we'll start the session. So this is the first session of the day. So we will not be learning anything technically today. So we will be learning. Thank you, Kartikeyan. We will be learning today like how this webinar is going to getting operated, and say like for example, what all the things we are supposed to follow. See, these all the things are we are going to learn today, so that we will get adopted to the routine Stock Phoenix routine activities. And let's see, let's wait for a few more minutes, and we have a short PPT today. We will finish as soon as possible. And Prabhu is not available today. He is not in station, and myself Senthil Kumar. So I'll be the mentor for the entire session. Video is not available. Prashant, you have to check again. I think everyone can able to see the Stock Phoenix Rebirth for Traders mentorship batch 18. Yes. Then there is some bug with the Prashant. You have to just log out and log in again. So we'll start the session as soon as in another next 5 minutes. So 4:3, 4:42. It's now 4:02 p.m. 4:05 we will start. Thank you, Kapil. And one humble request is, I request everyone want to join the live session during the webinar as soon as possible. If as much as possible. The reason is like in live sessions you can ask the questions directly to me and we can get clarified then and there itself. No need to go and attend the clarification session again, but still it is available. So whenever whoever is seeing in the recording, you can attend the clarification session. For the clarifications you can text me, Abhilash Prabhu, for asking your questions. So all those things can be done. So we'll wait for 2 more minutes, then we will start the session. Yes, let's start the session. There is one question. I could not able to attend the live sessions or else the recorded. So you can text Abhilash. I'll show you the mentor list. You can text us uh, on the Telegram line. You can also call and you can also WhatsApp. All the mode of communication is available from morning 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Clear? So let's start. There will not be a big impact if you are seeing in recording. Yes, because we will try to make the session in very simple language as much as possible. So I can able to say that that is the success of our Stock Phoenix till this batch 18. So we are teaching not in a very technical language. We are breaking it into simplified language so that we can able to everyone can able to understand that in a easier way and to remember. Clear? So let's start. So welcome to Stock Phoenix batch 18. So this mentorship program will take 21 days of live session, and after that we will be having a continuous relationship for 6 months. So our only motive is that you have to take the trades independently. That means you have to do your research independently, and you should be able to trade by yourself without any support, any other person's support. You should be able to trade by yourself. Till then we will be supporting you till you become an independent trader. Clear? So let's start the session. So today agenda is going to be the welcome message, a brief note on Stock Phoenix, our mission, student introduction, analysis and self-learning, webinar details and communication mode, Phoenix auditing, and questions. So these are the things we are going to discuss. And Stock Phoenix welcome everyone for today's welcome session. So today we will not be learning anything on the subject of stock market. We're just going to be a plain welcome note, and we welcome all those who have joined for the batch webinar 18, and you have reached the right place for your stock market analysis, that is for learning. Clear? Next, you have taken the right decision to invest your learnings. See, the thing is like, importantly, everyone's aim in stock market. Can someone tell me what is your aim in stock market? What will be your one aim in stock market? If you are going to be a trader or investor, what will be your agenda while you invest in stock market? Investment is fine. So what should be the result of the investment, Samir? Yes, Mr. Bath, earn money. Other, earn money. To be a trader. Aditya, trading is fine, but what should be the result? Second source of income, profit. Yes, that is the right term, Mr. Priyaranjan. So profits, earning money, that is money is the right term. Passive income, create wealth, everything is fine. But the ultimate concept is making profit, earn sustainable profit, securing the capital and good return more than bank FD. Yes, everything is fine. But the thing is like, profit is the right term. To create profit, wealth, generate our own source of income, second source of income, primary income, secondary income. So for all those things we need a proper learning. See, we enter into job or business at least after 3 years of our graduation, right? From 0 to 12th standard. After that, 3 years of graduation minimum. After that only some company is hiring us, or else we are entering into some smaller companies. We are gaining the experience and we are becoming an expertise in our professional life. But only in stock market, just by bringing the capital we are trying to make money. So that is not the right concept. So the right concept is you have to invest your time and money in learning. So that webinar 18 members have exactly done that. So welcome to Stock Phoenix again. So we will start learning the complete stock market. We will not be learning the complete stock market because it will take 100 years, because we are having pre-recorded videos or books, everything put together. It's like 100 GB is there. So it is not possible to read everything or to transfer to someone. What we will try to do is we will learn which is exactly required to make small profits to big profits in stock market. Are we clear? Whichever methodology is required to make profit, we are going to learn only that in a very simplified way. Next, forget all your losses so far in the stock market. Let's learn together and work in a disciplined and systematic manner to break the myth in the investment and trading. Say like, many of our students previously had very bad experience by taking tip from others, or by investing blindly, or by trading the instructions from the broker or friends. They had a very bad experience. Even for registering this webinar also, they are taking 3 months, 6 months time, and after that they are coming and registering. That is because of the fees. Say like, forget about all the bad experience. Now we will learn everything, we will practice, then we will start making profit. First of all, forget about your bad experience. That is the only thing uh, which can make you to learn the fresh things. If you are having the bad mindset, say like for example, yesterday you might have made some loss. Yesterday you might have made some loss, even it may be a 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. If you still carry that on the Monday evening, it will be very difficult for you to learn. So my first suggestion, technically my first class will be on the second class of the webinar, that is from Monday evening. But I am taking the class, since I am taking the welcome class today itself. My first instruction what I give to this webinar students is, don't trade for next 21 days. Don't trade for next 21 days, because we are going to learn whatever I am going to teach. You check in the market whether that is right or not, and try implementing that, and practice well. That is what is required for the next 21 days. Don't have an urge to recover the fees. Recovering fees will happen in no time if you have a at least minimum capital. For recovering this 30k of fees, you should be having at least 50,000 to 2 lakh capital. A bare minimum 50,000 should be there. Don't try to recover this 30,000 fees by having 10,000 rupees. Yes, that is possible, but don't try to do this. That is not the right money management. Clear? So next, leave aside your negative impacts so far in the market and start with a positive energy and mindset. Brief note about Stock Phoenix. I don't want to give a detailed discussion on this. You can just read this. Stock Phoenix is formed by myself, Senthil Kumar and Prabhu Silvaraj. We are having more than 12, now it is like 14 years experience in stock market. Each one, we were associated with a different training institute, and we have trained more than 1,500 students in the last 1.5 financial year. So we both have decided to hands together and deliver a knowledge to the larger audience for the public. So in the brand name of Stock Phoenix. Aditya, that is not a very big loss. We can still manage that. Okay. So our mission to educate investors and traders and the Indian stock market, to transfer the knowledge which we have gained in the past systematic approach, to develop new strategies and techniques which we will make traders and investors life easy, to develop the new product which help the investors and traders to analyze the market, to take the right decision at the right time, to make the people understand the importance of short-term investment. So here I would like to insist on the third point. So here what we are trying to do is, for all the methodology we are going to learn from Monday, we have a semi-automated screeners. That means if there is 2,000 stocks, and if you are learning strategy 1, and when you do this screening with the strategy 1, we are having a screener. So when you screen with this screener, it will give you 10 to 15 stocks. Out of this 10 to 15 stocks, we have to see the chart and select 3 for long and 3 for short. So is this fair enough? Breaking down this 2000 to 15, 2000 to 10 or 15, and again by decreasing that to 3 or 6. So in this 3, 1 or 2 stocks we will trade on a daily basis or a weekly basis. Does it make simplified manner? Samir, still it is possible to recover this fees. Don't worry about that. Next. So we will create a Telegram group, and you all will be added into the group. Request all of you to introduce yourself in the channel, and with your name, city, profession and passion, your journey towards Stock Phoenix and stock market. Okay, so towards joining Stock Phoenix and stock market. See, the thing is like this group, this group is going to be a big good community other than whatever the members we are inside. So this group, you are the members going to help each other, support each other, and you are going to correct when someone is going in the wrong way or wrong analysis. So I'll come, Mr. Fraful. I'll come, Mr. I'll come. So you are the group who is going to help each other. So have a healthy chat, healthy relationship with this group, and don't have any unnecessary topic other than stock market. Because see, we go to office to work. Let's do only that work. So we have joined here to learn about stock market. We discuss, we learn, we teach only about stock market. Let's not have any other discussion. Say, like for example, in this group, start even avoiding good night, good morning, because when 40 members, 50 members tell good morning, that will be a big 50 pings will come in your mobile. So that will be annoying. So avoid good morning, good night. On a auspicious day you can have your wishes. New Year day you can have your wishes, that's fine, but stop, don't have that good morning, good night wishes. So that will give 50 pings every day morning, every day night. Is that making sense? Assume that we are creating a Telegram group and everyone is telling good morning in the morning and good night in the evening. You will get 100 pings in your mobile. So that will be like annoying. You'll be forced to put that group in mute. So don't put this group in mute at least for next 21 days. Next. So this is to be done in the post completion of today's session. So this, at the end of the session, we'll be doing this. Both mentors will be the part of the group. Yes, we all Stock Phoenix members will be part of this group. So wherever you ask question, we'll reply as soon as possible. So analysis and self-learning. So learning will get completed only once you are also to do the homework from your end. Say it like how much time it will take. We will be the member of the group. Mr. Mittal, this group, the students group, will not be dissolved unless there is some issues with that group. As long as the discussions and the chats which is going healthy related to stock market, that group will be kept. From batch 5 we are having all the groups live till now. Batch 5 we are having all the groups live till now. We have not dissolved any group, since there is no problem to us and no problem to the members. See, both the side we have to see. So learning will get completed only you also if you do your homework. So that is very, very important. So once we teach, you have to practice. When I teach something, you have to go and check that whatever I thought is working or not. If it is not working, you come back to me, I'll clarify, I'll show you better examples. I'll teach you in a simplified way to make you understand. Are we clear? Next, we will be given lots of analysis to be done from your end. Request all of you to work on the same and send it to our support ID. So this is to be changed. It's not 16, it's 18. Okay. Next, no email should be sent to any other personal's email ID. You can send to our support ID, support Telegram channel. Next, webinar details. New link. So how you have joined via a link today, new link will be shared by tomorrow. That is tomorrow or Monday morning for classes for the next 21 days. We will share a new link. Same links to be used on everyday basis. You can bookmark the link so that everyday evening you can, just by clicking the bookmark, you can join the webinar. Next, same link should be used for login for the entire course duration. So learning everyday class will start from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. approximately 1.5 hours every session. Say like I don't want to give overfeed. So if I'm taking from 7 to 9 p.m. it will be like overfeed. Approximately 1.5 hours will be the complete class, and after that we'll be having some short discussion if you are having any questions. Next, clarification class. For the class which you are attending from on Monday, next day from Tuesday we will start the clarification class from 4 to 5 p.m. So any doubts you are learning on 7 to 9 p.m. on Monday, you can come back to clarification class on Tuesday in between 4 to 5 p.m. and you can clear your doubts. But if you are having as small doubts, you can ping us in Telegram, you can ping us in WhatsApp, you can call us. So everything can be cleared then and there itself. I'll come, Aditya. Next, we will try to stick to the schedule on daily basis. If there is any change on the schedule, then we will intimate in advance. Say for example, for this complete webinar, I am going to be the mentor. In case if I am not available, then Prabhu will take the class. In case if Prabhu is not available, I'll take the class. In case in kind of any situation, like if both are not available, then the class will be skipped or it will be postponed. So like everything will be communicated in the webinar 18 channel. Priorly we will intimate. Say like for example, there is a technical issue. Say like complete office is shut down or there is no complete internet. So in that case, we will try to manage ourselves with some other places, or else we will try to postpone on, say like for example, out of 6 batch, we might have postponed 1 or 2 classes. This is our error ratio. Out of 6 batch, that means out of 120 days of the live session, we have postponed 1 or 2 sessions. So this is what we have we are following. This much we are accurate, and session will start by 7.00, not even 7273. As per my desk, it will be on 7.00. I'll start the session, and I will not wait for anyone to come and join till 5 minutes, 10 minutes. No, the moment 7.00, I'll start speaking about the topics. The reason is I don't want all 30 members to wait for another 2 or 3 members. Is that acceptable? So the thing is, you should join the session at least 2-3 minutes before. Say like keep an alarm in your mobile every day, Monday to Friday. Keep an alarm in your mobile by 6:50, so that even if you are not somewhere outside also, you can come back to the system and you can open the webinar and you can start joining the class. Are we clear? Can we follow this method? We will start the session exactly by 7.00 and I will not be waiting for others to join. So recorded session, I will come back, Mr. Rajan. Next, each member will get a unique ID to log in. Please do not share the link. If you share the link, then both the ID will get logged. You will not be able to join the session. So that is which happened today. So if you try to log in both the systems, this webinar has a unique feature of identifying one ID getting logged in 2 places or 3 places, and it will block both the systems within the next 5-10 minutes of the webinar started. So please do not do that. So you don't need to intimate us if you are not able to join the webinar, or in case if you are joining late, don't comment. I tell that I am late, I'm leaving now, I'll not be joining. This intimations is not to be given, because all classes will be recorded and it will be available in the next 1 hour. Say like for example 8:30, if the webinar is getting over, by 9:30, 9:45 the recorded webinar will be available in your dashboard. So which dashboard? Let's see here. So go to stockphoenix.com, then log in, click on with your mobile number and password, you log in and click on this dashboard and go to videos. You can see here course videos, and go to the respective clarification sessions will be available here. Refreshes classes will be available here, and go to your particular webinar. You will be having access for webinar 18. So for me it is yet to be enabled. You can see here it will be there. You can play and watch. You can see this. So like this it will be available. So this recording will be available for 1 year. In case if you want extension, we will provide you. So the videos will be available here, the documents. So all the webinars, I'll be giving you an Excel sheet, workout or whatever I'm teaching you, I'll type via Excel sheet, and it will be like a hint. The important points will be noted here, and that is the webinar course sheet. You can download this and you can see here. And money management, it's a separate course sheet. You can download this and you can see here. So same like this, we have different sheets and images. The examples what I'm going to take you. So all the examples will be in a method of drawing and it will be uploaded here. Next, recordings will be made available in our website. You can watch it as per your convenient time. you will be intimated once the video is uploaded any number of times in the next 1 year. You can watch any number of times. There is no restriction. You can watch even the same video 10 times in 1 month or 1 year. No option to download. You have to watch online, sir. A basic internet connection is required. So option to download is not yet been enabled, and that will not be coming also. So that much I know. Next, we have designed this course in such a way it covers all the topics in a structured manner. That means we will cover, it's like we will not be jumping into future and option courses in the first session itself. We will be covering the basics, and after that we will be going. I'll show you the course schedule now. And so we will cover the topics as per our schedule. We won't jump any topics. So you have to wait. Say like for example, if someone is so eager in learning intraday, you have to wait for 18 days. No other option. And so request all of you to have patience to wait till the completion of the course. Once the course is completed, you can ask us if any topics is missed out or left out. Maybe many indicators we will not take many indicators. Say like for example, we will not learn stochastics, we will not learn Bollinger Bands, so which is not required, or that is not a part of our trade setup. Clear? So next, webinar details. So request all of you to log in one single place, be it laptop or desktop in mobile. Do not log into multiple locations. We have trust on you, and we believe that you will not be sharing this details to the third persons. This is paid webinar, and you have spent the money for getting this, and only you will be having the rights to watch this. Say like for example, if you could able to see, say like for example, you took the webinar from Bangalore, and if next day if you are watching in Mumbai, that's fine. But Mumbai and Bangalore, if you could able to detect 2 IP, that ID will be completely blocked. So this is the thing we are not expecting from you. Please do not do that. And we have a system in place, the same thing only. I don't want to repeat this again and again. So these are the things which are not supposed to be done. So please do this. Next, communication mode. All the communication from our end will be made through webinar. Again, webinar 18 communication channel, and request all of you to be active in the communication channel and Telegram group. So no good morning message, other wish or any other wishes in the Telegram group. So as I told you, how can I access from work PC? Sir, you can access in your office, you can access in your home, but don't access 2 PCs at a time. Don't access from Chennai and Bangalore at the same time. Did everyone got my point? What we are trying to tell? 7 PM webinar, same time it's not get logged in Mumbai and Bangalore, or from 2 different IP. So this system will block automatically, both the IPs will get blocked. Yes, no parallel logging, very simple. And request all of you to be active in the communication channel and Telegram group. No good morning, good night message. All the students are requested to discuss only about share market related in the Telegram, because that is what is required, right? No video or picture to be posted in Telegram group. Group should be purely used for educational purpose. Members can reach us via Telegram channel and telephone for any clarification. Telegram ID, phone number we will update in some time. No, see, this is the very important thing. No personal chat should be initiated to myself or Prabhu. You can do it to me, but no need to do for Prabhu. Don't initiate any personal chat to Prabhu in case if it is required. Okay, so please note that we have more than 1300 students, so it is highly impossible to reply. Maybe I'll reply immediately, Prabhu will take time. Okay, because he is the one who is giving complete updates on stock markets. Next, we will provide you the mentor number, mentor ID to get an immediate reply. So we have a strong team in place. They will cater at the members' requirement. Require all of you to contact the above given communication mode. So we'll provide you all the things in the communication channel. So request all of you to have patience, wait till the completion of the course. Once the course is completed, then you can ask any topic is missed out. Next, so about Phoenix auditing. So it's very simple. File your ITR3. Being a stock market trader, you can file your ITR3. You can subscribe to Phoenix Auditing bot, and year end, whenever your auditing is required, you can get in touch with us. So we will do our best part on filing your ITR3. And questions? That's it. My session is done. Any questions? Say like it will be like a one-side communication today, because say like there is no big thing to communicate. So now what I'll do is I'll post the Telegram links for you members to join, so that Phoenix Communication, please join this. What is the strength of this batch? Around 60 members. Please join this channel for getting complete general communication from Stock Phoenix and how to practice at home. We will tell you, sir. Everything will be given on that particular group. We will do this. So here, students group, you can text after this webinar. You can start texting this. You can join this group and you can update this thing, and you can start posting in the group so that others will understand about you, so that uh, you can have a good relationship. And what is the strength of this batch? I explained you. And a very important thing. So now just a minute, just hold on your questions. Just hold on your questions. There is a, you everyone knows that the Genie membership is only for 3 months. It's not only the Genie membership. It's not only the Genie membership. Just a minute. It's not only the Genie membership, it's related. This Genie membership is completely linked with Phoenix Option, Phoenix Masters, Phoenix Positional, all those things. It has been linked with Genie, and it is valid for 3 months. If you feel like, if you want to get continuous support from us, please open a Upstocks account under Stock Phoenix and start trading in that account. Trust me, that is the best platform. I can able to assure you that is the best platform. So like, for example, batch 3 students, if they come and ask me some support, should I do or not? It's almost happened 1.5 years back. Batch 3 students, if they come and ask me some support, what should I reply? You can tell your views. Should I support them, or I should tell them it is long back, sir, so I cannot able to support you? Can I tell like this? No, right? So I have to support. Same like that. Batch 18 members, if you come back after 1 year or 2 years, we want to support you. We want to support you. We like to support you. We will support you. There is no doubt in that. But for that, we have some basic running cost for the infrastructure and the manpower. So if you start trading in this Upstock account, maybe some small revenue will be generated that will support us for generating a passive revenue. Are we clear? So this is, we are very transparent. There is nothing there to hide in between our students and Stock Phoenix. So we are always transparent. So this is what we are expecting. So a small passive revenue, if you could able to give us from the Upstocks. It's not only in the Upstocks. We have 3 platforms. You can open in Upstocks, Zerodha, and Fires. So if you can able to trade in that account continuously, we could able to provide you the Genie access at free of cost, or else it will be charged you 1000 rupees per month. But what I'll tell you is, ultimately, in the next 3 months, within next 3 months, you should not rely on us. You should not rely on us. That is what we are expecting. Did you understood my point? Before this Genie subscription gets over, you should be not relying on us for any kind of support. That means you should learn all the concepts whatever we are trying to teach. See, 21 days class and 3 months time, that is, I think that is far sufficient to practice all the concepts. Try to learn as soon as possible. Don't give a gap. You have came and joined with an interest, have the same passion, interest for the next 3 months, and try to learn completely as soon as possible. Clear? So this is the link. I'll also post the other links, the other web platform links to open, the Demat account links to open, and how to practice at home. If you are having a Upstox account or Zerodha account, so that is sufficient to practice at home. So based on that, you can write a small Excel and you can start doing your homework. That we will guide you whenever it is required. So when we will be added into Telegram link like masters and all. So this, the Genie subscription, that is like Phoenix Genie, Masters, Option Masters, Phoenix Positional, like this 7 channels, I can give you the access right now itself. But if you want to use it effectively, activate that after completing the course. Activate that after completing the course, because if you activate the Genie access today itself, from now 90 days subscription will start. I suggest you at least after completing 50% of the training, activate the channel, so activate the subscription so that it will be useful. Because when you start, if you activate now itself, then Monday they'll start posting the calls, but you don't know which logic you have taken the calls. Am I right? So it is suggested to activate the subscription only after 21 days. That is my humble request, because you will feel like after the webinar is over, in 2 months it is closed. Yes. So coming back, Puneet, yes, we will recover it. So when we will be added in the Telegram channel, I have replied. Saturday and Sunday there is no classes. Monday to Friday, like this, 4 Monday to Friday we have classes. Can you please share the recorded version? I missed half of your presentation. Yes, Mr. Gandharv Bajaj, it will be available in the recorded dashboard after 5:30 p.m. It will take 1 hour for us to convert. So like minimum 1 hour we require, because we have to take it from the web server and we have to upload in our web server. It will take 1 hour. So it will be, you can see this in the dashboard. Any chance to get the course details would help to plan in advance. Yes, I'll upload the course sheet here. I'll upload the course sheet in webinar 18. I'll upload the course sheet in this particular space. I'll upload, you can see here, this place I'll upload. But I request everyone to join each and every session. Say for example, if you know about candlesticks, but still I'll tell you, you come and join about candlesticks, because we are going to learn the same thing in a different way. Are we clear? We are going to learn the same thing in a different way. For example, what is this? What is this? What do you feel by seeing this image? Batch time is by evening 7 to 9 p.m. sir. Batch time is evening 7 to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. I need a response. What is this image? What do you feel by seeing this image? Till you trade the Demat account, your Genie will be active, sir. So many of the members have told this is a frog. Yes, that is absolutely right. It looked like a frog, but also if you turn this image, this also looks like a horse. Clear? So same thing, we are going to learn the same indicators which is being used throughout the all over the world, but we will be using in a different way. The same RSI we will be using in a different way, the same MACD will be using in a different way, but we will use more effective and more clear. Okay, and next, when will be added in other channels, I have told you. So the batch 18 group is available for lifetime. Yes, Mr. Swaminathan, batch 18 group is available for lifetime unless there is no dispute for you and for us. Clear? Nobody should come and tell that someone is texting me. Don't, and a very important thing I forgot, don't text other individuals personally unless they are interested, because it's a group where all kind of professionals will be there, housewives will be there, students will be there, male, female, it's a mix of everyone. So it should be a healthy relationship. One should not have a problem with others. So that's the reason we have started this group in Telegram, so that your privacy will not be shared to others, right? Samir, just now I told you, Genie, we will post the link to Genie. If you are interested, you can activate and you can other channels today itself. I already opened the account with Upstocks from your link last month, and it is enough. It is enough, sir. Deepak, if you have already opened an account, that is enough. Start trading in that account. I don't have any platform. You mentioned I use angel broking. Yes, sir. You should open one account with Upstocks. See, I'll tell you, open one account with Upstocks or Zerodha because the delivery charges is free. The delivery charges is free from Upstocks and Zerodha. With other traditional brokers, the charges is high, very very high. Say like for example, if you take delivery for 1 lakh rupees, you will be charged 3,000 plus taxes. Okay, so it is better to open one discount broker where the brokerage is free, and have two separate trading accounts, one for investment and one for trading. Have two different trading accounts, one for your investment and one for trading. So I believe uh, everyone is everyone might have attended the session on power of compounding. So start those activities after this session from your investment account. Zerodha account is sufficient. Yes. What kind of homework will be given after the webinar? Identifying the stocks, identifying the chart patterns, all those things will be given. It's a small work, sir. It will need the homework time will need just 15-20 minutes, not very much and all. I'll not treat you like a school children or college children, not giving a project. I did my part, you do your part. No, it's not like that. Complete handholding will be done till you learn. That's my guarantee. Okay. Any studies which required done before attending any batch? Nothing required, sir. I'll teach from basics. What is Nifty, what is stock, how the stock is formed. I will start from that levels from Monday. Training timing is 7 to 9 p.m. I want to know batch timing. I told you, Rajashekar. Thank you, Anto. I have already Upstocks account. That's great. In this window for question and answer is the same. Answer I'll be replying in voice, sir. Mr. Rajani, I'll be replying in voice because if there's a big list of questions, I'll be replying the questions ascending orders. Okay. How many trading days? Monday to Friday. Excluding today, there will be 20 trading days, training days. Which group I have to follow? More channels depending upon you, which you are interested. Now follow the training. That is important. Clear, Mohit? Complete the training first. After that, you can enter into the channels. Already opened account under Zerodha. It is enough to continue. It should be mapped under us, sir. If it is done, that's fine. So could you please explain how this course help us? Can we become professional traders, portfolio managers after this course? Absolutely, you can do, sir. There is no doubt in that. I cannot able to guarantee you because it's like I am going to teach all the 50-60 students in the same way, but you should understand that, you should implement that. Your point of interest should be required. Am I right? Simply by watching the recording, it's not going to help you. You have to implement, you have to practice. That is the very important thing, sir. And if this group dissolves, remember it will be put in other groups. Why do we think of dissolving the group now itself, sir? Okay. And if I already have Upstocks account and Zerodha, you can open in 5 years. What is the syllabus? I'll post you in the channel, sir. We'll have access to all option masters until you finish the course. 90 days from now, you will be having the access, Yash. Priyaranjan, that's perfectly right. You can have two brokers. One is Zerodha and another one is Upstocks. Because Zerodha, mostly they are having server issues. When there is a news, the broker will get disappeared. In all Telegram channel which I have to follow, Mohit, that's what I told you. I have lost 65k, little worried. Mr. Kumbar, we have seen 65 lakhs members are recovering the fees now. So don't worry about that. We will do a hand holding. We will teach you till you understand. Clear? So don't worry about that. 65k is not a very big loss to have a big worry. We can recover that. We can manage. Genie is not needed once the training is completed. Mayur, you are absolutely right. Unless you complete the training, Genie is not required. Because you should know how, what is the, say like for example, buy Bharat Forge 470, stop loss 460. Then you should know why he is giving the call. Am I right or not? So how can I map my account with you? Sir, I don't think that is possible. You have to open a new account only, because any old account they will not map. Can we map existing Zerodha account? I don't think so, sir. You can check with Zerodha. Training cost is rupees 29999, sir, including GST. You can visit our website stockphoenix.com. So if you are a fresh customer, you can visit stockphoenix.com. So clarity on the cash part, Alice Blue Broker. Alice Blue Broker, it is tied up with Phoenix Commodities. I am not aware of that. Surendrabad, I have account with HDFC where lot of stocks delivered. Another one I have in Zerodha. Can I move HDFC stocks to Zerodha? Yes, sir, you can do it. May I know what is Genie? Genie is a, sir, I think you have to, Mr. Rajshekar, you have to text our support team. They'll call you and explain you, sir. Sir, I know about options little bit. So until I get throughout the options, by you, can I follow it? No, sir. No, Yash. Don't follow anyone. We want superstars from this group. Are we clear? Are we clear? We want superstars and masters from this group. So don't follow others. Don't follow masters. You completely, you take the course, you come back to me. Let's argue, let's fight, let's discuss where you didn't understand. If I tell wrong, if I teach wrong, you correct me. I'm ready to take learnings from the students. You learn from me. Let's come to a conclusion. After that, you can start your trading. So 21 days, don't trade. That is my minimum request. That's my humble request. Don't trade for 21 days, and after that you can start your trading, because we are going to teach in a very simpler way this course. Okay, someone wants to see the course. I'll show you the, just a minute. I'll show you the curriculum. Webinar 18 is ready and the course sheet is here. I'll just post this in the, so this is the dates, this is the schedules. So we are prepared, we are planned for our batch, and in case if there is any members are yet to join, you can join Stock Phoenix. Just a minute. 18 communication. So this is the course schedule which we are going to follow. So everything is planned. 7th December we will be completing the course, and after that you can start your live trading. Clear? So any doubts? So in case any members have not joined the course, we have still 4 seats left. You can come and join. You can enroll today and you can start joining the classes from Monday. Mr. Simon, already opened Demat account under you. Now registered for webinar 18. Will I be eligible for getting Genie for free after 3 months? Yes, absolutely, sir. We stick with our words. No doubt in that. You please make that as an active trading account. That is the humble request. So any other questions? Are we good to go? Are we ready to learn? From Monday onwards, please have your dedicated time. So that is very required, very much required, 7 to 9. Or else, in case if you miss the live webinar, watch the pending webinar before the next day class itself, because completely one is interrelated to other, and we are going to learn in very simpler way. No big technical terms will come. It's like I'm going to teach a student who is studying 5th standard. Are we clear? Now, because why I am telling 5th standard, because now 10th standard syllabus is very clear, very difficult. We can't even read and we can't even understand. So I have to go down to that level so that I can able to make understand everyone very easily. Mr. Aftab, you are working in bank. Great. So my side session is done. So any questions you can ask, or we can close with happy weekend, and we can start our session from Monday. Monday 7 p.m. we will get back again. Clear? This course will cover the things in stock market, or is there any other course that we need to do? Rajshekhar, this course we will cover equity, cash, future, option. Basically, you can trade in stock market completely. Whichever is required to make profit up to 5 crore rupees investment, this course will cover. Are we clear? So I'll not tell that in 30,000 rupees stock phoenix basic course I'll teach you only cash, and if you pay me 1 lakh rupees I'll teach you future. No, nothing like that. One course I'll teach you complete things, sir. Whichever is required to handle a portfolio up to 5 crore rupees, I'll teach you in this single course. Monday market I am not related to market. So one day market you can ask to Prabhu. Just now he gave me a hint. It's going to be so bullish on Monday, but we don't know how far it is sure. Let's see. And I have already opened account in Upstocks. Can I open the account in my mother's name? Yes, absolutely you can do, Mr. Nikhil. Can we join clarification session irrespective of doubts? Yes, sir, you can do. Absolutely you can do, sir. Even if you have doubt or not, you can join the clarification session. Can you tell me about, you gave us one channel Nifty. Sir, I am not sure. You can text the support team, Mr. Mohit. I have never given a channel name Nifty. You can text the support team. Clear? So thank you. Happy weekend. So we'll start learning from Monday. If you have any issues trading, you can ask anytime. Absolutely, sir. As soon as, other than midnights, we will reply as soon as possible. Yes, you can do, sir. Mr. Mayur, you can log in the session from mobile also. You can do it. But better it's laptop or desktop. If not possible, you can do in mobile. Yes, you can do it, sir. Thank you.